Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is going to be about using Trampa's 125mm gummy tires on Evolve's hubs. Please note that this is not recommended, as Trampa gummies are only meant to be used on their own hubs. As a result, there might be some wobble in the wheels as they're not perfectly aligned. Measuring an astonishing 125mm, these wheels are massive and will roll over anything in their path. They're basically the biggest wheels we could find without going into pneumatic tires. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Before we start the video, we'd like to give a special thanks to the sponsor of this video, PCBWay. If you haven't heard of PCBWay, PCBWay is a one-stop PCB prototyping company that offers PCB, PCBA, and PCB design services. 10 10x10 PCB boards usually cost $5, but right now when you register, you'll get a free $5 welcome bonus, meaning your first order is basically free. So if you have any PCB projects, make sure to go check out PCBWay. Alright, now let's roll the footage and show you guys exactly how we did this.